One of the changes we've seen to video over the last few years is that people are consuming content on social media channels and they have the volume turned down, which has meant that captions on video has become more and more important. So in this video, we're going to look at a really simple, quick process for adding captions to your videos. Okay, before we get started, if video marketing is your thing, if you're interested in how video can be used to market and promote businesses, then you need to subscribe to this channel. You can either do it on YouTube or you can follow the link in the description box below this video and sign up on our website. So that aside, let's solve this problem with the subtitles. So the first thing that's worth knowing is the difference between closed captions and open captions. So closed captions are like you see on a DVD player, on YouTube with a little CC button that you can switch on and off. And they allow people to switch subtitles on and off so that you can choose whether you watch the subtitles on that video or not. Open captions are burnt permanently into the video. In other words, you can't turn them on or off. It doesn't matter what device you watch that video on, it's going to come up at the bottom with the captions literally embedded into that video. So what we're going to be doing in this video is creating open captions. And the reason why we're doing that is because lots of social channels, including LinkedIn, don't have the facility to turn on and off those captions using the closed captions option. The next thing you're going to have to do then is to generate the SRT file, which is the subtitles file which you're going to embed in that video. Now, I've looked at a few different ways of doing this. I've tried to find a free way of doing it. YouTube, rather brilliantly, allows you to use Google's voice recognition to actually generate an SRT file automatically. However, really frustratingly, the way that they deliver that is no good for this process, and I won't go into it in too much detail, but basically it's a scrolling system, which means that you can't actually do anything with that SRT file, which is infuriating. Bad Google, naughty Google, fix that one please. As a side note, you can use that Google voice recognition to do transcriptions. We've got a separate video on the YouTube channel which talks a little bit about that, so you can click on the link and follow to that video as well. The second option you've got is to create the SRT file in an editing suite. Again, that's going to be really time consuming. You're going to have to transcribe it, then you're going to have to put in all the timings, and that's a really, really long-winded way of doing it as well. So I've opted for the third option, which is a paid option, and it's with a site called Revcom. So using this site is going to cost about $1 per minute for the length of the video. So for a standard social media video of 3 or 4 minutes, you're looking at literally just a couple of quid. That's not just giving you the transcription, that's giving you the SRT file. And actually what that means is that all of that text is timed exactly to your video, which frankly is gold dust. They will deliver that file to you in sometimes an hour. They say a maximum of 24 hours. And it's really, really simple. You just go onto the site. If the video is already uploaded onto YouTube, you send them the link. Otherwise, you send them an upload file. They process it and they send you back the SRT file. It's dead simple. Once you've got that file, the second part of this process is even simpler. You need to download a program called Handbrake. This is a free program that you can get on both Mac and PC. And Handbrake is a video encoding program. Now, there's a lot of different settings in Handbrake. You don't need to pay attention to 99% of them. All you need to do on Handbrake is click on Source and open up your video file. The next thing you need to do is click on the Subtitles tab and click Import SRT. You need to navigate to the file that Revcom has sent you, and then one more box to tick. You just need to tick the box that says Burn In, and that's just going to burn those subtitles into that video. After that, you just need to select a destination and then click Start. Your video will output to that source directory and it will have the subtitles burnt into it. All you then need to do is upload it to the channel of your choosing, and hey presto, your video's got subtitles. Incidentally, if you do need to make minor adjustments to that file that comes from Revcom, if they don't get it quite right, or if you need to make a few changes, it's a fairly simple text file. You can open it up in any text editor, make the adjustments and save it, and you should be able to just use that as you would do normally. So if that's been useful, or if you're interested in hearing any updates we have on this, ways to maybe embellish the subtitles, other video marketing techniques, then don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video as well. Let's get the love out there. Let's make sure everyone knows how to do subtitles on LinkedIn and on the other social channels. My name's David Kelly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.